everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you the things that I have been putting off doing for some time. So if you've got a list of those, you can either clean along with me or just watch and get motivated so you can complete the task that you've been avoiding yourself. So let's get on with it. So we're going to begin with this desktop. So if you've got young boys that like to play games, you know that that's probably one of the most grubbiest place ever. It's going to be all sticky and gooey, and they tend to eat food there as well. So I'm going to tackle that and disinfect as they spend quite a long time on there. So I'll probably disinfect it. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you enjoy this type of content, also subscribe and look forward to more content every Tuesday and Friday. I'm also going to be tackling some socks. I did not really want to show you all the socks that I had, but yeah, because I think this video will be a bit too boring if I showed you all the socks I had to do. You probably won't find a lot of laundry motivation on this channel because I absolutely hate laundry and I need the motivation to tackle anything that's got to do with laundry. So I do apologize for the lack of laundry motivation on this channel. So if you are new to the channel, welcome, and you're probably wondering why my videos don't have music playing or anything like that. I tend to like the ASMR feel to it when I record my videos. And also on this channel you find lots of cleaning motivation to help you tackle the tasks that you find difficult or you've been avoiding. I have organizing videos, I have how to clean certain things, and also I do try to do some product reviews, which I am so behind on, but look forward to those in the upcoming weeks. So yeah, that's what you probably find on this channel, lots and lots of cleaning motivation and how to do certain things. So like I mentioned, today I'm just tackling the things that I've been avoiding. So this area has been collecting a lot of dust, and I'm just going through some of my products that I use on my face and stuff that I just need to be thrown away. So some makeup, and yeah, that's what I'm just basically doing. That area has been full of dust and some spillages and stuff, so I'm just tackling that. So if you are into this type of stuff, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I look forward to more videos. So that's it from me today, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. I look forward to more content, which will be coming out every Tuesday and Friday. If there's a bonus video, you'll see it. But yeah, until next week, you have a lovely day. Bye.